Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Brenda. I'm with Character Kids, and we are bringing you weekly drama games that you can play in your elementary classroom, whether you are in person or virtual, or if you're a drama teacher. We just hope that you are gaining a lot of value out of these ideas. And our game this week is called Slow Motion Emotion. And before I describe the game to you, I just want to remind you to please like and subscribe to our channel, and please share this with the other teachers in your life. I'm sure at some point we are all looking for ideas for morning circle time or optimistic closure or SEL time. So many of these drama games really do tap into those social and emotional learning competencies. And so we encourage you to use them and share them and subscribe so that you can keep up to date. So our game today is Slow Motion Emotion. Now, hopefully you held on to those slips of paper from last week that had all the different emotions listed on them. If not, no worries. Go to characterkidsdrama.com/resources, and there's a list of feelings there that you can print out, or you can just write emotions on pieces of paper and cut them out and put them in a bowl or a hat. Now, you're going to call up one brave volunteer at a time. If that's too much pressure for certain students, or if you've got a younger group, you can always call up 2 or 3 students at a time and let them kind of work together. Let one student pull out a slip of paper and show it to the others, and they'll kind of work as a team. Otherwise, you're going to count down from 10 to 1. And in that time, the student or students have to show the emotion that they have in super duper slow motion. So they're going to use their whole body and their whole face to try to convey that emotion. At the end, after you've counted down to 1, you can have a discussion with the rest of the group, see if they can guess what the emotion was, and then sort of talk about how they knew. What did you see? What made you think that that was the emotion that you were seeing? And it really, really helps with emotional literacy, both for the students who are performing that emotion and for the students who are watching it. And then it also taps into body movement and spatial awareness and self-control, because they're having to do it in slow motion. And it's just a lot of fun. So for the younger kids, you could stick with words like happy, sad, mad. But for the older kids, maybe upper elementary, you could try to dive into words like jealous or hopeful or lonely, and see if they can convey those emotions. And that leads to great discussion as well. So that's it. That's Slow Motion Emotion. I hope you have fun trying it out, and we will see you here next week. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Have a great day.